Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate what is a multi-signature and how it works. First, I will describe what is a multi-signature and how it works. You can see these images. It describes how the multi-signature wallet works. This gray box is the multi-signature wallet. The left side is a co-signer, the owner of the wallet, and then this wallet is 203, which means that when we try to send Bitcoin from this wallet, we need two signature. Otherwise, it failed to send the Bitcoin. Now let's dive into um, the code. But this is so when you launch this project, we can select multi-signature management, and then now we need to create our multi-signature wallet, and then after creating the multi-signature wallet, we will export multi-signature wallet because so other co-signer can use this wallet configurations, and then we can import this multi-signature wallet from other co-signers, and then we can create our multi-signature transactions. Mm. Compared to normal transactions, it needs two signatures to send some Bitcoin, as I described earlier. So after signing the transaction file, then we can broadcast it. This is how it works. So let me describe the code, how it looks like. When we select the first number, create multi-signature wallets, we first need to enter the number of cosigners. We will demonstrate later, and let's say we enter three number of cosigners, and then enter the requirement signature. So I will type you need two signature. Then we need to manually enter each owner's public keys. So we need to enter three of cosigners public key here. Now it's all information is ready to create multi-signature wallet. This is quite straightforward. So let's move on to export multi-signature wallet. Yeah, here we can just export the multi-signature wallet configurations with a JSON format, and then we can import this configuration file from other cosigner. And in this logic, what it means is that it's make sure that this cosigner has the public key of the multi-signature wallet. So make sure that this cosigner can have this multi-signature wallet. So it's just checking the public keys and private keys. It's the logic. So it's quite simple. Now the cosigner has a multi-signature wallet. Now it's time to create multi-signature transactions. It's really similar as normal transaction. We need a destination address and then amount of satoshis and feed it and create transactions. And then we want to send this transaction, right? But before broadcast this transaction, we need a signature of each cosigners. In this case, we need two signature. So we need to sign the multi-signature transaction first. So each cosigner need to sign these transactions. So and after the sign, we need to move this transaction file to other wallet, the other cosigner. Then the cosigners load this multi-signature transactions and sign it. Then it's time to it's ready to broadcast it. It's quite simple, but in the source code it looks like complicated, but for user side it can be easier than this. So now let's open the terminal, and then we can test it. I'll open to terminal and make sure that we need each cosigner's public keys, so we can create a multi-signature wallet, right? So let's choose number 6, and then create a new multi-signature wallet. Enter the multi-signature wallet name, demo multi-sig wallet, and enter the number of cosigner 3, and then require the signature 2. So enter the public key for cosigners. It automatically generates this wallet's owner's public key. So we need 2 more public keys from other cosigners. I prepared the cosigner's public keys. I prepared these public keys before. So now you can see this is wallet A, the signer A, and signer B. So use this public key here, and then enter this, and enter again the cosigner 3. Now we have created multi-signature wallet successfully. This is the address of the multi-signature, and the information is like this. So we need to export this wallet multi-signature wallet information to other wallets. So export multi-signature configuration. Enter the ID, name, demo multisig. So no pirate. So let me try again. Sometimes it happens. So demo multisig. That is. Now we saved the configuration file. So we can now we export this multi-signature configurations. It's time to import this multi-signature wallet configuration to cosigner 2. Let's see what's in here. So this is information of multi-signature, name and public key. It has 3 public keys, right? And requires signature 2. Others is this, and the name script here. So let's copy this demo multi-signature configuration file to other directory here, and then go to that directory. Let's see the file exists. Now we have this multi-signature configuration here. Now let's run the program. Now let's import it. 6 multi-signature wallet management. 7 is import multi-signature configuration. Now we need to enter the path of the file. So current directory. We need to make sure that this is logic that make sure that I have the public key of this multi-signatures wallet. So let's check this. Release. Whose name was demo multisig. That's JSON, right? And then let's see. This wallet has this information. Oh, it was not. We need to open the wallet first. So because this wallet, we need to check that this public keys exists in this cosigner's wallet. So as you can see, we cannot find this public keys. So public key number 1 does not exist. So what about the second public key? Now we have public keys. So this cosigner is owner of this multi-signature wallet. So I'll yes and enter the private key. And yes, now we imported multi-signature wallet. Most of the wallet that are in real world do not usually checking this because it's checked by wallet application behind the scenes. So but this is full demonstration, so that's why I typed it manually. And now we successfully imported multi-signature wallets. And now it's time to create our transactions. But before create transaction, we need to make sure that this multi-signature has satoshis. So we need some bitcoins to send and create transaction, right? So let's send to this some amount of satoshis to this address. So this is the address of the public multi-signature wallet, right? So this display all the address and balances. Let's see, this wallet has some amount of satoshis. Now we have 5,000 satoshis, so we can send. We will send this amount of satoshis to multi-signature wallet. Auto select, and this 5 and 2. Let's see. Now transaction successful. So let's check. This multi-signature wallet has 2,500 satoshis exist. So update. So this wallet. So found one UTXO. I think we have 2,500 satoshis. Let's view the details. Now, as you can see, we have 2,500 satoshis exist. Now let's create transactions. Create multi-signature transactions and enter the amount I want to send the satoshis to other address. Enter the destination address. Let's see where we can send it. How about I'll send to this address, destination address. How much? 10,000 satoshis, and free rate 2. Transaction ready for signing by cosigners. So we need cosigners signing to spend these transactions. So let's save this multi-signature transaction to a file. so we can share this transaction file. Demo multisig.json, multisig txt.json. Now let's just now it's time to load this file and sign it. Demo multisig txt.json. Now we added one new signature to the transactions. Total signature is 1, right? Save this file again. Now let's move this file to that directory. I think this directory is, we need to move this file to this directory. So let's check the file exists or not. Now we have this file. And you can see here we have the transaction file, and then see the how many signatures that exist. So it has one signature for this public key, and then yeah, it only this transaction file has only one signature, so it's not completed. So we need so we are going to assign this transaction file. So go to multi-signature wallet management and then load and sign multi-signature transaction file. And then 11th, pass demo multi-sig txt.json. Now we add the signs. Demo multi-sig txt done. Please. So just make sure that we have a signature. Now we signed to this file. So this file has signature, one signature, and then 2. So it's ready to send. Let's try to send it. And then broadcast. The file is demo multi sig text done. Text done. JSON. Now transaction broadcasted. So let's go to check that we received 10,000 satoshis. I think it was just 1,000. Yeah, right here. So and this is quite complicated, demonstrating multi-signature. But as you can see, it's quite straightforward. So for user side, the experience can be much simpler than this. So thanks for watching. In the next tutorial, I will demonstrate the Lightning Network feature.